Hi, welcome to Rainforest Arts Gallery in Chemainus. My name is Stephanie. Let me show you around. Rainforest Arts is a non-profit gallery. We're run under the Chemainus Valley Cultural Arts Society here in town. We represent over 50 Vancouver Island artists, so we have a lot of local talented artists. We have anything from paintings to photography. We have paper quilling, sculpture, pottery, jewelry. We have some First Nations carvings. We have enameling. We have woodworking. There's just something for everyone. A lot of people come in here just for a mood lift. We have a featured artist display, and that changes every 2 months. The rest of the wall art changes every 3 months. The sculptures, the pottery, the jewelry, that always changes on an ongoing basis. No pressure, just come in and experience the art, and there's always something new to see when you come in here. I love being surrounded by art. It's just a wonderful feeling, and I feel really blessed to be part of the gallery here. Come on down to Rainforest Art, and you can also check us out on our website, rainforestarts.ca. Thank you very much.